Want to use Instagram's new auto-scroll for Reels hands-free? First, open any reel, tap the three-dot menu next to the share icon, and toggle on auto-scroll. Instagram will now advance to the next reel automatically without you swiping. If you'd rather make sure you have the option, update Instagram to the latest version in the App Store or Play Store, then reopen a reel and long press on the video or tap the three dots again. Some users see the auto-scroll toggle only after an update or a fresh relaunch. If it's still missing, force quit the app, clear cache on Android or offload/reinstall on iPhone, sign back in and check again. Rollout features sometimes appear after a clean restart. Keep in mind the feature is rolling out in stages, so if you don't see auto-scroll yet, you can't manually enable it. Stay updated and it should appear later. That's all it takes to watch Reels hands-free. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite Instagram tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.